Hello, I'm Rose and I'm an admissions counselor at Massachusetts Maritime Academy. I'm going to be giving you a brief overview about Mass Maritime and some of the programs that we offer. We are located in Buzzards Bay, Massachusetts, up in Cape Cod. We do have 7 different majors available to study. All of them are Bachelors of Science, and then a plethora of minors to accompany those as well if you so choose. All of our majors are STEM related and have a learn, do, learn philosophy. We are a public Massachusetts State University. We are not military, however, we are fully regimented. We have a bunch of different clubs on campus, whether they are academic, military-based, or just for fun. We also do have club sports and intramurals. Our student government are the students that put on events on campus, like our Emory Rice Day, as well as other pop-up events and nightly events, and sometimes things on the weekends as well. We do have 15 different NCAA Division III varsity sports on campus as well. If you end up applying to Massachusetts Maritime Academy, here's some information you may want to know. Our average GPA is about a 3.1. Our SAT is about a 1050 to 1100, and our ACT is about a 22. However, for this upcoming cycle, for our class of 2021 graduates, we are test optional. Also, about 90% of our college graduates find a career within 3 to 6 months after graduation. And the starting salary for all of our majors is about $63,000. We also have a 73% 6-year graduation rate, which is the highest of all Massachusetts public universities. If you're ready to apply, you can find us on the Common App as well as the application on our website. If you're interested in finding out more about Mass Maritime, feel free to email us at admissions@maritime.edu.